What's up guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we are checking out the Raxiom Axial Series LED side mirror turn signal lights with the smoke lens, fitting all 2014 through 2021 Toyota 4Runners. Now if you are adding darker accents to your 4Runner and you want a very stylish way to do it, and an affordable one at that, this will be a great choice. Now this won't just be a great option to add to your 4Runner's stealthier appearance, but will be a great replacement to any damaged, worn, or non-functional turn signal, bringing some life back to your 4Runner. The biggest feature here is the dark lens that will add a nice black accent right around the painted mirror cap for that additional styling, and will match with any other darker lighting that you may already have on your 4Runner. Now the main purpose is to keep you more noticeable on the road with the turn signal function. Even though you have a very dark smoked lens here, the LEDs on the inside are going to be high intensity, and that amber will shine through well. Now that will maintain, if not increase, your noticeability on the road while offering that extra style, especially if your current set is broken or not working. The housing is made of an ABS plastic material and will be molded to sit right behind that mirror cap, just like the OE light. Now around the lens, this will also have a little foam seal to reduce any movement and create a snug fit. Now the lens will also consist of a very smoked polycarbonate material, which is a tough plastic that will hold up well to any lighter impacts and lighter abuse. So if you take your 4Runner off-road and you take a branch or a rock to the lens, these will stay intact. Now not only will the LEDs also be bright, but they will have a low energy draw, so they can have a very long lifespan, allowing them to be maintenance free, and these are going to be plug and play for a seamless install. This kit will come in at about $75, being one of your most affordable choices in the category. Now compared to other options on the page, especially smoked options, this is going to be your darkest one in the category if you are really looking to black out the appearance of your 4Runner and achieve a very dark look with your lighting. Now others may have a slightly different design to them, but this is going to keep it simple and to the point, and most importantly affordable, making this a great style and replacement solution. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should take about an hour to get both of these installed. Now at this point we can head over to our shop and check out a detailed breakdown on how to get these into your 4Runner at home. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install you need a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, today we're going to be installing some side mirror turn signals on our 4Runner, so let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we need to remove our light here. So I have this turned, you don't have to, it's just to get a better angle. But we're going to take our trim removal tool and just get it in here. We're going to get it under our cap and just pop our painted cap off. Alright, you just work your way around once you get it free. And set that aside. All right, next we're going to take our 2 Phillips head screws out. All right, now that the 2 screws are out, we need to pry this trim off. So we are going to go right here. And start working our trim off. Now there is a tab right here. So you're gonna push down on it. Now release the top. All right, and then once you get that tab released, you just carefully get it out, flip it over, and you just set it like that. All right, so now we're gonna take our light out. So you're gonna get your trim removal tool, and just in the back here, what you're gonna be doing is pushing down these tabs right here. And then we have our connector, push down, and pull off. All right, now you just repeat those same steps for the other side. All right, first thing we need to do is just plug in our light. So we're just gonna get our connector, push till you hear a click, and we can put our light into place, putting these 2 tabs in these slots here. All right, now we can put our bottom panel on, spin it back into place. Just make sure all your wiring is tucked out of the way. It may take a second just to line everything up. Just take your time, get it into place. All right, once you got it clicked into place, we can reinstall our 2 Phillips head screws. All right, so we're gonna grab our Phillips head screwdriver and reinstall our screws. All right, and then we just need to put our cap on. Same thing as the lower trim, just get everything lined up, snap it into place. All right, now you just repeat those same steps for the other side.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the Raxiom Axial Series LED side mirror turn signal lights with a smoke lens, fitting all 2014 through 2021 Toyota 4Runners, and you can find these right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.